and I had completed my graduation from Dr. MGR University. After 1 year of graduation, I took a full stack course in QSpiders by the reference of my brother, and I thank him for referencing me here. And I took a Java course in QSpiders, which was taken by Nandi sir. He helped me a lot in lots of doubts. When I got stuck in any doubts, he was there to help me to clear the doubts and gain more knowledge in that. And SQL, when it comes to SQL, Subham sir, he helped me a lot too. His teaching was very good. And Moidin sir, who took a web tech class for me, he also there to help me whenever I got stuck in any doubt. Now I got placed in a Royal Survey company, for which I am thankful for QSpiders.